Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make this stitch. It's a very easy stitch to make. All you have to know is only one row. You always repeat this one row, the first row. It is the same from both sides, as you can see. It's ideal for a scarf because from both sides it's the same. It's very easy to make. All you have to do is repeat always, as I told you, the same row. I will show you how to do it. You start first by casting on, and cast on you have to make multiples of 16 plus 2. So you cast on stitches multiple of 16 plus 2. Then I tell you how to continue it. Now the first row is going to be the setup row. So we're going to do this row only once, the first row only. We slip the first stitch. I prefer not to knit it. You put it on the needle without knitting it. The second one, you don't knit it either. You put it on the needle, you turn the thread, yarn over, and you knit the next one. Slip one, yarn over, and you knit the next one. Slip one. You always have to repeat this. Slip one, yarn over, knit one. 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 Slip one, yarn over, knit one, and you're going to finish with one stitch here. And you have to knit it. I prefer to knit it not from here, the last one, from here to here. I prefer to knit it so the edges will come better. And this is the setup row. You only use this row once, Now the next row we're going to. The first one we don't knit it, as I told you. The second one we slip it, yarn over, and we knit together the next two stitches that we have here. We knit them together. The next stitch we don't knit it. Slip stitch, yarn over, and we knit together the next two stitches. The next stitch, slip stitch, yarn over, and two together. Slip stitch, yarn over, and two together. Slip stitch, yarn over, and two together. Slip stitch, yarn over, two together. Slip stitch, yarn over, two together. Slip stitch, yarn over, two together, and the last one we have remains one, and we knit it. I prefer to knit it from the back. And that is the row that you have to know. Then the second one, you start the second one. The first one you don't knit it, as I told you. The second one we slip it, yarn over, and two stitches together. Slip stitch, yarn over, and two stitches together. And you continue like that. This is how. Slip stitch, yarn over, and two together. You continue repeating the stitches that are all the rows like that, from this side and from that side, and you will have this result. As you can see, it's a very nice stitch. It's very easy to make, and it's nice, especially for those who have started knitting. It's very easy to make All you have to learn are those stitches that I told you. Hope that you found this video useful and that you try it. Bye for now.